Nagkamali po siguro.
Medyo
sir, sa-
nagkamali. Sige. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, go ahead, Congressman Apo. Can you please turn off the Congressman? Sige, go ahead, Congressman Apo.
Chairman Inyon, tatakbo po ba kayong mayor sa susunod na eleksyon?
They perceived it to be that I would run for the higher office, but after my last term, Kong, I'm out.
Kasi nagtataka lang ako bakit ka pinag-iinteresan eh.
I guess I have I have a guest lang, Your Honor.
Thank you. Warrant officer, at what point in time did you receive the warrant?
Good morning, sir. Sir, the warrant of arrest, nakita ko lang pa siya, sir, upon report sa station, sir, at around, bago po mag-8 o'clock ng gabi.
Bago mag-8 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Teka, nag-oath ka na ba?
Yes, sir, nung first day po.
Okay, thank you. Nung nakita mo yung warrant of arrest sa e-warrant system ninyo, sinabi mo ba sa hepe mo?
Yes, sir.
Anong oras mo sinabi sa kanya?
Sir, prior to that, sir, inabisuhan na rin po siya
Anong prior to that? Ano yung that?
Ay, sir, yung...
Prior to what?
Sir, bago ko po sabihin sa kanya, sinabi rin niyo po sa kanya nung aming e-warrant personnel, sir.
So may e-warrant personnel kayo na in charge?
Yes, sir.
Nandito ba siya?
Wala po, sir.
O kaya, so more or less, around 8 o'clock na-receive sa e-warrant system yung warrant?
No, sir. Mga around 7 po.
7. So, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na may warrant si chairman?
Yun pong aming e-warrant personnel po.
Okay, and then what did you do thereafter?
Sir, tinanong ko po kung na-verify na po yung warrant, sir, sa e-warrant system. And then, upon verifications po, dinala na po namin yung kopya kay Hepe.
Yung pag-verify ninyo doon sa e-warrant, saan po kayo nagbe-verify?
Sa opisina po namin, sir.
Ano po yung i-verify ninyo?
Yung sa system po, sir.
Kaya nga, ano ang bine-verify nyo sa sistema?
Yun pong status, sir, ng warrant to pare, sir.
Yung status?
Yes, sir.
Whether it's standing or not, or nagbayad na ng piyansa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Huwag mo akong biruin, iho, dahil trabaho ko yan nung ako ang chief na CIS eh.
Yes, sir.
Kaya, right there and then, pagka-receive nyo doon sa e-warrant, verify ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Matanong po kita, kay issue lang yung warrant of arrest, inassume nyo kaagad na alam na nung person concerned of the warrant. Kaya bine-verify ninyo. Hindi ba dapat bigyan nyo muna ng pagkakataon na pag nalaman nung person subject of the warrant of arrest kung na makapagpiyansa? Kasi kararating lang, i-verify nyo kaagad kung standing yung warrant o nakapagpiyansa. Because if we look at the records, the day after April 17, meron ng report yung clerk of court na nakapagbayad na ng piyansa si chairman. Kasi ang pinagtataka ko, bakit kayo aligaga o kaya very, very enthusiastic na iserve kaagad yung warrant of arrest upon receipt?
Sir, it was the call of my chief of police, sir.
Oh, that's the call of your chief of police. So in other words, para bang sinasabi mo sa amin ngayon na kaya nyo sinerve yung warrant na katatanggap ninyo dahil utos ng chief of police? Ganun po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, may I ask the chief of police, talaga bang utos mo na iserve kagad yung warrant of arrest as stated by your warrant officer?
Pina-verify ko po muna, sir.
Ay, hindi. Sagutin mo muna ako eh.
No?
Yung tanong ko ang sagutin mo.
No, sir. Dahil pina-verify ko po muna, sir.
Pine-verify mo. Binirify na nga niya raw eh. Tapos i-verify mo uli. Now, from whom did you verify whether the warrant is standing or not?
Pina-verify po ng aking warrant, sir. Doon sa mga communications na dumadating sa amin, sir, kung merong order of bail or recall of warrants. And yung sa aming email, sir, negative naman. And dun sa warrant itself, sir.
Hindi ba dapat ang pag-verifyan mo talaga para magkaroon ng guarantee ay yung court of origin?
Opo, sir, opo.
Oh, ginawa nyo ba?
Opo, sir.
Kung binirify nyo sa court of origin, kung standing pa rin yung warrant, dapat malaman ninyo kung nakapagbayad na siya ng piyansa o hindi.
Yes po, sir. I believe, sir, nakapag-verify po, sir, ang aking e-warrant. Hindi lang po sila nakasagot po yata, sir. I'm not in the position to answer, sir.
Kasi nandito rin yung galing sa court na dated April 18 na nakapagbayad na ng piyansa si chairman. So it's a day after yung pagpunta ninyo. Ang nagtataka ako, Hepe, is that bakit kayo nagmamadali na i-serve yung warrant of arrest when in fact ang sagot po ninyo ang krimen allegedly na nagawa ni Kapitan ay usurpation of authority on 2 counts. Di ba? Bakit kayo nagmamadali? Siya ay kapitan. Hindi naman tatakas. Kaya pinagtataka ko yun Kasi sa amin, noon, tinitignan namin yung pina-prioritize namin kung ano yung a-actionan namin na warrants of arrest na pinapadala ng korte sa amin. Kayo, para bang ang bilis niyong aksyonan? At kung gano'n ang aksyon ng inyo, ng kapulisan, meron kayong dahilan. Di ba? May dahilan kayo. Bakit usurpation of authority pa lang yan, kilala pa ninyo, inamin mo kanina, nakilala mo si Kapitan, may numero ka ng kanyang cellphone, pero sinentro nyo ka agad Upon receipt ng 8 o'clock, that day, sineserve nyo na yung warrant. Hindi ba? Parang nagmamadali kayo So, kahit na sinong tao, magtataka. Di ba? Bakit para bang sinasadya nyo o talagang sinesentro nyo na arestuhin talaga si Kapitan? When in fact, he's a barangay captain. Kilala ninyo. May number kanya. Kaya may dahilan kung bakit kayo nagmamadali nung araw na yon para arestuhin si Kapitan. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
You want to reply back? Chip, or you want to be recognized?
Yeah, thank you, Chair.
Sige,
Okay na
Congressman
ako, Chair.
Paduano.
Anyway, ano lang doon, follow up lang doon sa query ni Kongkit saka ni Chairman ako. Actually, Hepe, nung tinanong kanina ni Chairman ako that, of course, you have to check to the origin of such warrant, di ba? So that is the court.
Yes, sir.
Tama ba pagkarinig doon? At yung presumption mo na chinek din ng warrant officer mo.
Opo, sir, opo.
Oh, that's your presumption. Di ba?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Tinanong ba siya kung na-check niya mismo?
Opo, sir,
O
opo.
anong sagot niya? Tinek, di ba?
Yes, sir, sinek niya po, sir.
Pero sa laysay niya, si warrant lang And he cannot check on that moment because that's 8 o'clock in the evening. Walang opisina. Di ba? Now, pangalawa, warrant officer, tama ba ang pagkarinig ko kanina, though wala si e-warrant, may information kang nakuha na nakapag-bail na?
Yes, sir.
Kanino?
Sir, dun po sa dating pulis sa barangay po, na nakakasako po sa barangay San Antonio.
Dating pulis.
No, sir, dati pong nakasign sa San Pedro City Police Station.
O, ba't alam niya na nakapag-bail na?
Nagtanong po rin ako sa kanya, sir. Kasi meron po siyang mga access sa mga taong malalapit po kay Kapitan.
Okay, anyway, so, yung pulis na yon, active in duty, nakakuha ng information na si Kapitan ay nakapag-bail na.
Iyon po ang sabi niya, sir.
Anong oras yun?
Sir, mga around, ganun din po, mga 8 po.
Almost
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
in that hour.
Sunod-sunod po yun, sir.
Sunod-sunod.
Yes, sir.
Did you inform your chief of police?
Yes, sir.
O ano, pakikwento nga, paano mo siya,
Sir, ang inanod niyo po sa akin is yung proof.
sorry,
Yes,
to
sir.
cut you short. Pakikwento nga, paano mo sinabi kay Hepe na, ayun, may information ka.
Sir, meron po akong natanggap na information na posible po na nakapagpiyansa na po si Kapitan John Inyon. Pero however, wala rin naman po ako may pakikitang ano sa inyo. Any proof or hard copy or order na nanggaling po sa court mismo.
Pero ikaw, that information coming from a police officer which is not assigned anymore in San Pedro,
Yes, sir.
which has access to barangay captain, ikaw personal, anong tingin mo doon?
Dahil po
Totoo ba?
sir sa matagal na siyang PSP po ng barangay San Antonio, definitely po marami na po siyang naging kaibigan.
So ikaw mismo,
Yes, sir.
ikaw mismo naniniwala doon, that very moment, though walang proof.
Posible, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Hindi pwedeng posible ha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Naniniwala ka ba doon sa information o hindi?
Yes, sir.
O kaya nga, sinabi mo kay Hepe.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hepe, may informasyon na pala na nakapag-bail na. Ba't tinuloy mo pa?
Sir,
Second, sinabi mo kanina, kilala mo si Kapitan, ay siguro naman, hindi naman to tatakas, may numero ka pa, may information pa na binato sa iyo yung warrant officer mo, ba't hindi mo tinawagan si Kapitan? Di ba?
opo, sir.
O ba't hindi mo tinawagan? Ito may information pa. Doon walang dokumentong hawak kasi hindi nakapost doon. Walang record sa i-warrant. Pero may information. And that information was given to you by your warrant officer. Hindi lang simpleng ibang police officer by your warrant officer. O ba't hindi mo tinawagin si Kapitan o hindi man lang paliban mo na. The following day na lang. Tapos, gabi na, sinerve nyo. Di ba? Ako fair ako dito Pero pag ganyan, Epe, hindi ako maniwala na sa sarili mo yun. What is your interest to serve that warrant of arrest to a barangay captain, elected barangay captain, and a legitimate businessman in San Pedro City? Anong interest mo doon? Just to serve it? Then ikaw pa? Ikaw mismo nandun? Di ba? Ako, sinasabi ko, ayoko ng politika, I am very fair, even in my committee. Pero sa kanyang Yepe, hindi mo ako pwedeng paniwalain na sarili mo yun. Because in line of duty, dapat mong gawin. Pwede mong gawing bukas. Gabi. Ako, tingin ko lang dito, you just want to serve it. Kung walang bail, kulong si Kapitan. Mapahiya si Kapitan. Kaso, di ba hindi naman criminal case? Wala. Kaya, are you still the chief of police?
Not anymore po, sir.
Bakit ka na-relieve?
To give way for the investigation po, sir. Nung
Pending,
may
This-
admin case po, sir.
what is your admin case?
Grave misconduct, sir.
Grave misconduct with regards to what?
and grave irregularity. Dun sa,
Sa anong kaso?
dito po sir, sa issue
Ito?
po dito. Opo sir.
Kailan? Kailan ka na-relieve?
June 6 po sir.
June 6?
Opo sir.
So, at least RD, na-relieve na pala to. Eh, dapat na talaga. Kasi, RD, ako diretsahin kita. Eh, hindi ako maniwala dun. Nakusang loob yun. Ni Epe, in line of duty, gagawin niya. Kaya lang, siyempre, pwede mong gawin that time because akala mo, pwede niyong lusutan. Eh, ito ngayon, may congressional investigation. Di ba, malabo, Epe. Malabo, nasabihin mo dito sa komite na ginawa mo yon dahil obligasyon mong gawin yon. So ngayon, naka-Navy ka, floating.
Opo sir.
Buti naman. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you. The Honorable Flores is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'd just like to ask the chairman, Inyon, if after you posted bail, did you in any way inform the police officers in your locality that you already posted bail?
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you inform them? And who did you inform?
I sent a copy of the court order to a police officer named Leo Taladtad.
Leo Taladtad.
Who is the police officer that I think Officer Balmas is referring to, and I think he was also there. And I got a message from Leo Taladtad that he received a notice of my warrants of arrest, and I sent him immediately the court order. The copy of the court order,
of
which
the
I
bail.
have it all in my phone.
All in your phone. But the information that you forwarded was just a soft copy of the
It's just
order.
a soft copy. In fact, I even called them up and then pleaded with them to inform the jefe, the chief of police, and all I got was a statement from Officer Leo Taladtad that the chief of police already received the order, but he was
soft
like
copy.
the soft copy, and he was just like saying, according to this police officer, na magpanggap na lang tayo na hindi natin natanggap yan kasi wala pa naman tayong hard copy niyan at ituloy natin yung aresto.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. Now, Sergeant, ano yun? Balmas? What's your rank? I'm sorry? Sorry, Mr. Chair. Balmas, what's your rank? Chairman, can you turn off their mic? Thank you. There.
Can you kindly turn off the other mic?
Sir, good morning
Kasi
po.
medyo...
Sir,
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, Police Executive Master Sergeant, sir.
Master Sergeant, is the police officer mentioned by the chairman, Taladtad, the person whom you were referring to?
Yes, sir.
Na siya yung nag-inform sa inyo na parang may nagpiyansa na or something like that?
Yes, sir.
And were you forwarded a soft copy of the order granting bail to the chairman Inyon?
Hindi ko na po
Hindi
na-receive,
naman.
sir.
Did you ask for it? Tingin mo ba?
Hindi na ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon, sir, kasi at around 8:55 nag-decide na po si Hepe na
Okay.
ituloy yung operation.
But lahat ng information na nakuha mo from what's the name of the police officer? Leo Taladtad. Nirelay mo naman kay Hepe.
Yes, sir.
Sa pagkaalam mo na
Sa
na-relay mo
pagkakaalam,
properly.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now, side question lang, Master Sergeant Balmas. Ilan yung mga pending warrants na nasa office ninyo as the warrant officer?
Sir, sa latest tally po, ang San Pedro CCPS po ay may 1,000 mahigit, sir.
1,000 mahigit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, ilan yung warrants na natanggap mo on that particular day?
Sir, yun lang po.
Yun lang.
Yung
Prior to
dalawa.
that, the day before or the week before, ilan? Sa
Hindi ko-
maalala mo lang.
Hindi ko po, sir, alam yung exact figure.
Pero may natatanggap kayo.
Opo.
And in-action na naman ganun kabilis ng hepe ninyo. Lahat ng warrants.
Yes, sir. Immediately po.
With all the police officers and SWAT teams na dinadala.
Usually po, kami lang po.
Kayo lang?
Po. Yes, sir.
So,
Warrant person
in
lang
this
po.
particular case, was it like unusual na ang hepe nyo talaga at dala-dala pang ilang personahe ng police ang sinama just to enforce this warrant? O normal ba yan na ginagawa ng isang hepe ng police station?
Sir, it is his call, sir. I won't comment on that, sir.
You won't comment? No, based on your factual lang naman to eh. I'm not asking you for your opinion. In your experience, every time you receive a warrant, you said, actionan nyo agad. But usually, kayo lang ang nag-action. Opisina nyo lang.
Yes, sir.
Tama, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Usually.
Yes, sir.
But in this particular case, na-forward mo sa hepe nyo, alam ng hepe nyo na may information, although hindi validated siguro, na nag-bail na, yet siya mismo ang nag-lead sa enforcement ng warrant, dala-dala pa ang 20 or more personnel ng police station niyo. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, PRD. Based on the testimonies given right now, would you say that it was... what would your comment be, RD, on how your chief of police acted on this matter?
Good morning, Your Honor. There should have been due diligence in the serving of the warrant, considering that the subject of the warrant is a barangay chairman and unknown businessman in San Pedro, Your Honor.
More so that there was already information related to him that he already posted bail on that day. Is that correct, RD?
Your Honor, yung i-warrant po kasi, pag nakapag-bail po yung
I understand.
tao is
RD, ang
automatic
akin lang naman is that he was informed supposedly that there were reports that he already posted bail. Would it
Yes.
have been incumbent upon the chief of police to at least ascertain the truth or veracity of the fact that he already posted bail?
Yes, Your Honor. That's why ang sinabi ko dapat may due diligence doon sa pag-serve pa po ng warrant, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, RD.
Okay, thank you so much. Captain Juninion. Go ahead.
Your Honor, I just want to add lang that there was no presumption of that there was no order from the court for my bail. I informed them. Paulit-ulit ko sinabi sa kanila na nagpiyansa na ako. Nagmakaawa ako sa mga pulis na wag na nila i-serve ang warrant of arrest kasi wala doon ako sa bahay. In fact, I have my audio recording to that just to prove that I'm very truthful to my word. Pero tinuloy pa rin nila para mapahiya po ako. At obvious naman po, Your Honor, that all these are all politically motivated. I am politically persecuted. That's all, Your Honor.
Okay, so another issue, Congresswoman. We only have like
Ilang minutes?
25 minutes, 20 minutes more. Go ahead.
Okay, just to finish, Mr. Chair, yung mga issues natin kay Kapitan Jun and yun, ano. Lastly, with regard with the ABC election that happened in the Sangguniang Panlunsod, is it true, Kapitan Jun and yun, you weren't able to hold the elections on that day set by the Liga LNB in the proposed venue in the Sangguniang Panlunsod in the Municipality Hall of the City of San Pedro?
That's true. That's correct.
I think we have invited, Mr. Chair, the police officers stationed on that time, and maybe we could invite him as a resource person and can shed light on this matter. And also, Mr. Chair, the reporter who has witnessed that happening. What's the name?
Rodante Rivera.
Mr. Rodante Rivera, Mr. Chair. Sino yung police?
Okay. Redante Rivera, and also the other resource speaker. What's the name of the other resource speaker? Pasensya na po kayo,
Suarez.
medyo hindi ako masyadong makapagsalita, post na post po ako. Anyway, who is the other resource speaker that we have invited?
Policeman Suarez, Mr. Chair.
Policeman Suarez and... Yes, okay. I think they have taken their oath. Sige, proceed, please.
So to